A schedule is only useful if the trades actually know when they're on. Open your project's schedule. See the assignees column? That's the coordination engine. Let's do it for real. Scroll down to the rough-in, hit Assign, and pick the trade. There's your whole roster: staff, subbies, suppliers. Brightline Electrical takes the electrical rough-in. Done. Their name is on the milestone, with the dates. Same again for the framer. Pro Frame Carpentry onto frame erected, 30 seconds each. And now the people doing the work are attached to the plan itself. They see their milestones and their dates in their own portal. No ringing around the night before. Now tell them, send booking confirmations goes out to every assigned trade, an email and a text if you've got their mobile, with the job, the dates, and what they're on for. One click replaces the Sunday night phone marathon. And here's the payoff for the whole business. Trade coordination under projects. Every trade, every commitment, across every job, in one view. Filter to Brightline and you see exactly where they're booked. So when you're planning the next slab, you spot the clash before it bites, not on the morning it happens. Coordinated trades mean fewer gaps, fewer double bookings, and fewer days lost waiting on someone who didn't know they were meant to be there. Next up, tracking the hours they work.